Let's create this glowing transition. First open the video clip in CapCut. The link is in the description. Select the video and use the split tool to divide it into two separate parts. On the first clip, add two keyframes. Select the second keyframe and drag the brightness level to 0 using Adjust tool. This creates a smooth fade to black. Now let's add our glow effects. First apply streamer stroke for the outline. Then add Technology 1 on top. Adjust them to the timeline so they appear as the clip gets dark. Select the second clip. Tap Adjust for color grading. I am applying these specific settings on my screen now. This step gives that rich cinematic look that makes the reveal really pop. That's it. Here's the final polished result.